Welcome to Cansulta. This is your personalized dashboard. We prepared a tour to help you navigate the platform and take advantage of all the features. Let's start by familiarizing yourself with the dashboard. Click the Meetings tab. This is where all your booked meetings will appear. Once you've booked a meeting, the meeting time and consultant name will appear. The link to join meeting will also appear for all upcoming meetings. When it's meeting time, click Join Meeting. Next, let's take a look at purchases. Any purchases you've made from consultants, like services, custom offers, or products, will be listed here. Likewise, some consultants offer instant access downloadable products which can be found on their e-stores. Once purchased, they will be available to download here. You can change any personal info or your password through the profile details. Next, let's take a look at file sharing. Use the Files section to send files back and forth with consultants. If a consultant has sent you a file, you'll be able to download it here. Next, messaging. Here, you can see all your messages. To send a message to a consultant, first find the consultant you'd like to reach out to. To do this, click on the Find a Consultant button. Find the consultant that you would like to work with and click the Contact for Free button. Message them by clicking on the Message button. Once you've sent the message, it will appear in your Messages tab. You'll get an email when the consultant responds. Here, you can filter consultants by expertise, industry, language, and location. Once you find a consultant that matches your criteria, click Contact for Free. To book a consultation session, scroll down to their store, and click on either of the 1 or 2 hour sessions. Select the date and time that works for you. Enter your information and a booking code, if you have one. You will receive a booking code from a consultant after you purchase one of their services. You can also enter the booking code in the coupon section, making your total $0. Proceed to checkout to enter your billing details and place the order. If you're interested in a consultant's services, scroll down and click on a service to read more or add to cart. If you purchased a custom offer specifically designed for you, it will appear on the consultant's e-store so you can purchase it directly from them. This custom offer is only visible to you, so no one else can view or purchase it. Once purchased, your consultant will send you a message to get the ball going. And that is the end of this tutorial. Hopefully, we've answered all of your questions, and if you do have more questions, feel free to email us.